guys, we are here again to give you an exclusive video content about basic knowledge and periodic maintenance, and it's all about do-it-yourself tutorial. I don't want you to spend a lot of money, but I want you to save more. Please, you are welcome to my channel. It's Air Auto Center, the home of auto and all the mechanical tips and tricks. We also give you fundamental, basic hints and the principles. But today I want to share with you about oil consumption, why your car is consuming oil, or why engine oil consumption requires when it's due to poor maintenance of the vehicle. I have a simple description about you, but from today you got to know more about your car, you got to know more about your engine, and you got to know more about how you can manage to keep your car engine longer twice than before. So this is a secret I have for you, and I tell you I will give you the description and break all the content down for you. You know how to change your engine, when to do it, and also you will be amazed about this professional tutorial I have for you. So at the diagram we have oil consumption. Yes, we have oil consumption. Number 2 here we have valve guide. Inside there we have spark plug, valves, exhaust valves, and then the inlet valve. So this is the oil consumption diagram, and I want to share with you about the description why is engine sometimes consume oil. Okay, so the reason why engine oil amount decreases. Engine oil decreases little by little even under normal conditions, as small fractions of oil burns with the fuel after lubricating. Oil consumption. Replacement interval is replacement the oil according to the distance driven. This is a key factor. Sometimes you can buy oil and use it more than 6 months, which we call it synthetic, but this is no reasonable. I can't agree with you at all, because you might end up lose your engine or destroy it and spend unnecessary money which you have not able to afford it. So it's very important. Replacement of the engine oil to the distance according or amount of time, because it is very difficult to judge the deterioration by looking. Replace the oil according to the distance driven or amount of time, because it is very difficult to judge the deterioration by looking. Replacement on Corolla, especially for general countries. Gasoline engine is every 10,000 kilometers, 600 miles, or 1 year. And then we have 5,000 kilometers, 300 miles, or 6 months. Okay. Refer to the maintenance schedule, because the replacement interval varies by model and usage condition of the vehicle. Type of engine. Engine oil is classified by API rating according to the quality, performance, and SAE rating according to the viscosity. Refer to the owner's manual for which oil is appropriate to use. So in this manner we have API rating, which is American Petroleum Institute, and then SAE rating, which we have Society of Automobile Engineering, which normally come from Europe and Asian countries. So this is a short description about oil consumption, how you can manage to maintain your engine as long as you can. So follow these instructions and keep it in mind. It will help you a lot. And in the meantime, I can also show you the type of oil that you can use and the type of oil that is running in the system. So we have API rating, support all possible driving conditions for repetitive stop and go driving and high speed, high temperature engine oil application. So we have quality, we have high. For gasoline engine oil, we have XL, XJ, XH, SG, SF, SE, SD, SC, SB, SA. These are the high quality engine oil that you can use for this generation. Then we have CE, CD, CC, CB, CA for diesel engine oil. So on top here is for gasoline engine, and then the down is for diesel engines. Now we have API rating. Okay, so the API rating, what do we call it? So these are the basic things about oil, and I think you got it. So we come to the other diagram. We have SAE rating engine oil. So we have single grade, we have ambient temperature, multi-grade. Then here you can see the SAE rating. Let me zoom it for you so that you can see clear. SAE 20, we have SAE 30, SAE 40, we have SAE SW30, SAE 7, SW30, SAE 10W30, SAE 20W40, SAE 5W40. These are all multi-grade or synthetic oil that we use for our vehicles, and it also helps the engine to keep longer and boost the engine performance for last longer. So you can see the differences about oil, API rating, and then SAE rating. The API rating is more powerful because America has a superpower and they have control over every oil. Before it comes to oil, they have to sign an agreement and stamp it before you can send your engine to international market or get approval to sell it. So they are there. And after SAE rating, which is Sate Automobile Engineering, which normally comes from Europe and Asian countries. So these are the two basic differences about engine oil and the types we have that you can use to enable you to keep your engine longer or keep your car in a good shape as the manufacturer did. Thank you for watching, and like this video, share to all your friends, and also hit the subscribe button to stay updated when we upload a new video. Thank you.